Loads of fruit at this time of year. If I can get to these ones somehow. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Like these nice cherries here. And these lovely June berries here, which are sort of nearly ripe. There's some in there that are ripe. Yeah, these are kind of nice. They're a bit like blueberries. They're related to blueberries. Yeah, not quite ripe yet. One or two are, but I think I'm going to leave these a few more days. But there's plenty of other different fruits to have. These gorgeous little wild strawberries. They are so productive. They've been going for since beginning of May, I think, and they're just still producing. They're not flowering anymore this side of the hedge, but they are the other side of the hedge. They just produce them faster than I can eat them, and they've it's just like a boundary hedge here, isn't it? It's the sunny side, but they've spread all along the top of the hedge for quite a long way, and I don't know, about 5 or 8 or something equals the size of an ordinary strawberry. They're just really, really nice, and so many of them. And they're just so nice to have this abundance of fruit at this time of year. It's really good to make the most of it and just have this nice little fruit all the time. They're just so tasty and lovely. And they're growing in a hedge, of course. It's not using up any space either, because it's like just a boundary. So it's like a crop in the hedge, which is really good. And then all these summer raspberries, the purple ones are ready. I mean, again, there's just so many. You can never pick them fast enough. You can't eat them fast enough. But they just produce them for about a month, and then the autumn raspberries take over then. So it's raspberries all the year, or rather all the summer and into the autumn. Some years as late as December, just as long as there isn't a frost, and when there's a frost they stop. But these summer ones just grow on last year's canes, and then they sort of throw up new canes for next year. That's really nice. I don't think any blackcurrants are ready yet, or gooseberries, but that's good for today. That's going to be really nice with my homemade ice cream later on. I'm going to enjoy all these.